Hi there, today we are going over the basic greetings. First of all, hello, Tere. It's very simple and polite way to greet someone. Tere, 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 Tere. The other common way to say hello in Estonian is Tervist, 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 Tervist. If you want to be super polite in the morning, then say Tere Hommikust. We often say it as one word, Tere Hommikust, Tere Hommikust, Tere Hommikust. Also, you may just say the shorter version, Hommik or Hommikust. Hommik, Hommikust. Afternoon, it's nice to greet as Tere päevast. There is also our special letter A. For that, try to say A and at the same time smile with open mouth, hold your tongue near your bottom teeth. A. Tere päevast, Tere päevast, Tere päevast. In the evening, the formal greeting is Tere õhtust, another special letter Ö. Use the fake smile with open mouth. Ö. Tere õhtust, Tere õhtust, Tere õhtust. If you see a friend, you may also use greetings as Tšau or even more affectionate Tšauka. It is of course borrowed from Italy, but notice that we never use it in formal writings. Tšau, Tšauka. Same goes with hi, hey, hey, hey. Do you remember that sitcom Allo Allo? Anyway, if you pick up the phone, it's common to use word Halloo. Sometimes we pronounce the first letter as Halloo, but not always. We may just say Allo, Hallo, Allo, Hallo, Allo. That's all for today. Aitäh, thank you so much for listening and see you next time. Bye!